Okay. Oh. Give Henry his bone. Oh, oh, he doesn't want it.
Okay.
Where do you want to put it?
His butt.
You want to put it in his dish?
Yes.
Where's his Where's his food dish? Okay, put it there. Oh, you can't hold him. He's too big. Oh, he's so fast. Bone. Bone. Good boy. Bone. Hey, Ryder, can you tell me how old you are?
No.
Why? Oh, you put it back.
No.
Look at that hair of yours. It's all yucky.
What?
All right, we got to find your hat.
What?
We got to find your hat. No. Come on. We want to go to Jody's now?
No.
We got to go to Jody's.
No.
Yes, we're going to go outside. You want to go outside?
I do.
Okay, let's go. Come on, shut that door. No, not that one. This one. Shut this door so we can go to Jody's now. Good boy. Good job. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say I love you.
Love you too.
Kisses.
I love you too.
Okay, no, it's I love you too right here to the circle. Okay. Good boy. Bye.